Well, after that terrible start to the trading week, we're seeing financial stocks and energy stocks being picked up by bargain hunters and being lifted up across the board. Seeing most markets getting an uplift in sentiment, especially the indices like Singapore and Australia. That swing in sentiment reflects that volatility that's in the markets right now. We saw the VIX volatility index up 15% last night to touch a 2-month high of 24. That follows last week's jump where it rose 78% just in 1 week alone. So a lot of nervousness in the markets right now. Clear signs that investors are on edge and waiting for strong leads. And that could come from tonight's FOMC meeting, where expectations are high that we could see a bit of a hawkish tone and perhaps expectations of interest rate hikes coming on board sooner than expected. And of course, that's happening with the recent spate of stable and positive data out of the US, especially on the jobs front. So that will be positive for the greenback, and dollar yen's probably going to be drifting higher. We're seeing expectations building up, and that's been the dollar yen trade's been going up during the Asian trading day, and that was also prompted by a bit of weakness in the yen this morning. Japan's trade balance numbers out this morning was slightly disappointing. Exports came in at 4.9%. That dropped from the previous reading of 9%, and imports contracted by 1.7% from a rise of 2.7%. So those two numbers were far below forecast. So we're probably going to see more weakness in the yen towards the end of the week as well. The Bank of Japan expected to give its monetary policy statement on Friday, where we could see even more dovish cues.